So imagine being able to start 2025 saying, I made $27,000 helping people jumpstart their cars. And not only that, I did it from the comfort of my own home. That sounds completely crazy, right? Well, I've come across this product on Kalo Data, which is absolutely crushing it right now on TikTok Shop affiliate. And if you are looking to get that money in 2026, because I bet you a lot of people will be wanting to get on that journey, those New Year resolution and all that lovely stuff. In a couple of days' time, or in a couple of weeks' time, people are going to be all over that. So if you want to get the leg up and you want to get a head start, these are the types of products that you want to look out for. So let's have a look at this product right here. So I'm in Kalo Data here, and I've looked at the last 90 days of this portable car jump starter. In fact, let's start with the product itself. So it's a portable car jump starter. It does a couple of other cool things as well, but mainly that's what the product does. So looking at the core metrics, so what numbers, how much money this product has brought in. Let's start with the last 90 days. So it sold on TikTok Shop specifically 4.7 million in the last 90 days in revenue, which is nuts. 144,000 units sold. The average unit price that it sells for is about $32. It goes up and down with sales and so forth, but generally the price is around $55 and so forth. What's also good about this, from what I'm looking at here, majority of this revenue came from video ads. So these ads that people just film themselves from home without necessarily going live. A lot of the time without even showing their face as well, using AI in some cases. A lot of the revenue came from that. We did see some live revenue as well. They made 364K from live sessions in the last 90 days, but by far the largest margin of the money that they made came from video revenue, which is obviously good for not only the shop that's selling this product, but also for any aspiring TikTok Shop affiliates. If you're wanting to sell this product on behalf of the shop, you know that it's not necessarily one that's going to need you to go live. You can sell it just by filming videos and uploading them onto TikTok. Absolutely sweet. Scrolling a bit further down, we can see here what content creators are absolutely rinsing it from these video ads that we are talking about. I've looked at the top one there, which is Raw Dog Shop. I think I've spoken about this channel before on my videos. I may have not, I don't know. But if we look at the page, we can see here that they have made in the last 90 days. So this is now the content creator, the person who's filming and selling this on behalf of the shop on TikTok, 821,000 in the last 90 days. Not necessarily just from this product, but from any other products that they have been promoting over the last 90 days, which is pretty solid. The commission will vary out of this revenue that they've made. Safe bet will be anywhere around 15%, somewhere around there that they've taken home as their own profit, potentially even more. They've brought in 54 million views, which is absolutely nuts. A bunch of followers as well. And all of it basically is video revenue. Now, the interesting thing that I found about Our Dog Shop, a majority of the videos that they have made recently are about this product, which tells me that they've found a winning product for themselves. And the video ads for it aren't really that complicated to put together, as I'm going to show you here in just about a second, how they've filmed the actual videos that they've uploaded. But just looking at some metrics to start with here, some numbers. So the highest converting video they've made is $246,000 in revenue. Again, this is in the last 90 days. Yes, they are all ads, but it doesn't necessarily mean every single view they got was based on the ads. It just means that a percentage of the views that they got were from ads, whereas the rest of them were from just the organic views that they get in, the TikTok algorithm giving them a leg up. In fact, we can see here, this one got 18.6 million views. Ad revenue ratio, 58%. So we can see the percentages around how much of that came from the shop actually investing ads. We can also see how much money was spent on ads for that particular product. So the shop spent around $39,000 pushing this video via ads. I don't imagine they would have done that all at once. They would have just been gradually testing out different ad strategies, different amounts. And eventually, once they saw that the TikTok algorithm loves this content creator and the videos that they're doing, then they would have invested more and more. And of course you will. When you can see the money that's coming in is more than what you're investing in ads, of course you're going to spend more and more money because you want to get more money back. In fact, we can see here that the return on ad spend is 3.7. So what this actually means is for every dollar that they're spending on ads, they've made around 3.7 or $3.70. So for every dollar they give TikTok, TikTok said, hey, here's nearly $4 back, which is absolutely crazy. Now let's look at the types, and obviously we can see how much more they've made on other videos, because the strategy is they've found a product that works and they have continued to rinse and repeat basically until the wheels fall off. 135,000 in revenue there, 122,000 in revenue on this video. So different amounts of revenue for each video that has been made here. Now this product offers a 12% commission rate. So that's how much this content creator would have made on sales promoting this particular portable cart jump starter, which is, imagine starting 2026 with that amount of money, an amount of money that a lot of people are working full time, making sacrifices, not seeing their kids, not attending school events, working overtime, and still not able to make this amount of money that this guy is making just from uploading simple TikTok videos on the internet. Now, looking at the types of video ads that they are doing, what's actually working within these video ads, how are they putting them together? Are they complicated? Are they well edited? How long are they? What are they saying in these videos, if anything? Let's explore that. I'm just going to click onto some of these here. I might scroll past some. If there is any content, any copyright music, I might move from that ad and go to a different video. Or if there is any sort of harsh language, I might skip past that. But let's just quickly just have a nosy and see what types of what type of wizardry is happening here.
They don't know what the hell they.
I have it on the right.
It's bots.
Yeah.
This is one of the most dangerous things that you can keep in your car. Not only will it damage your sensor and the computer, but it also can damage your battery, and you have to rely on somebody else, a stranger, to help you jump your car. And that's
crazy. Just that alone, the start of the hook is like a skit, two people having a conversation, and they've got a really capturing visual of something that almost looks like it's on fire, to do with a car there, and straight away they go into the dangers and the potential issues that you could have by ignoring this problem, which is absolutely obviously working in this case, because we can see they are absolutely crushing it here. So let's go into this video just a little bit more. We're going to explore the other videos in just a second here. I'm going to click on this TikTok video link, and that's going to take us onto their TikTok page, into the actual video, where we can just scroll through the timeline and take it from there.
They don't know what the hell they do.
I have it on the right.
It's bots.
Yeah.
This is one of the most dangerous things that you can keep in your car. Not only will it damage your sensor and the computer, but it also can damage your battery, and you have to rely on somebody else, a stranger, to help you jump your car. And that's exactly why every member in my family has one of these in their car.
Straight away there. Let me just scroll
the
past.
Black to metal, you'll see it turns green, which means that it's ready to start. What's great is, unlike regular jumper cables, this only takes about 2 seconds.
By the way, notice the caption. All he's put is, everyone should keep one of these in their car. Nothing complicated. If I click on more, okay, so there is a little bit more there, but even the start of the description of the video is, everyone should keep one of these in their car. Discover. This looks like it was AI generated, to be honest with you. Not that the creator themselves used AI, but they used AI in the sense that they may have gone into ChatGPT and said, hey, can you give me a description of this video so I can put it onto my TikTok description? And because discover vital items everyone should store in their car for safety during emergencies, stay prepared, and enhance your driving experience. Sounds very, very much like an AI generated type of description. It could have been generated by TikTok themselves, because they have got a feature which creates video descriptions for you via AI, which I will explore in one of my later videos here. But either way, not blaming the creator here, it's working whatever they're doing. They've got keywords here that are attracting people that are interested in that. It does actually say here, this information is AI generated and may return results that are not relevant. Let's listen to the video a little bit more.
Until your car is fully charged and ready to be started. If you went ahead and connected these wrong, let's put the black to the red terminal and the red to metal, it will give you an error message just like this. And these are incredibly safe. If you ever connect them together, you'll just get PSI. It can go up to 100 per PSI you selected, so you no longer.
Okay, so it's got a demonstration there. Now, for people that drive, obviously having your car break down can be one of the most painful experiences, because a lot of the time, if you're driving, you're going somewhere, you've got plans, you're going to see family, going to an event, you're going to the hospital, you are doing something that's important where time is crucial and you have to get somewhere as quickly as you can. And the pain point that this product is addressing is quite huge. And on top of that, it's a product that's easily visually displayable. You can create a video showing people how to set it up, how
Just
to
like
put it
this.
together.
And these are inclusive.
How can he not earn trust from me? He's got a car there. He's literally got it in his hands. He's setting it up. He's not just sat in his living room talking about it. So really good video ad that is put together here.
Type-C and a
Clearly
regular
with the results.
USB port to fully charge your phone. And if you ever have an emergency at night, this does have a flash
Clearly knows what he's talking about. He's showing you how it
light
works,
that
how to
also
plug it
blinks
in.
red and blue. I think every person should have one of these in their car for their own safety. If you want to grab one, I'm going to leave the link down in this orange shopping cart below. Just know that they have free shipping right now, and they're
He's gone in there with the finishing move. Link down below. You've already watched the video. You're already in. You've already seen at the beginning of the
huge
video
flash
the
sale for just
damage
a few days.
that not having a product like this can potentially
They don't know what the hell they
cause.
do.
You don't want to be
I have
in
it on the
that
right.
kind of position. Now, here's the crazy part as well. That initial clip there, that's not necessarily him. That's not necessarily something that's happened to him. It could have happened. He could have got it off Instagram. He could have got it off TikTok. He could have got it off YouTube. You could have gotten that anywhere. So getting that, throwing that in there as a hook, getting people in, and then jumping straight into your pitch is clearly something that works. So let's quickly jump onto another video ad here and explore what they have done. So I'm just going to go onto here. Let me just close this video detail page here. Let's see what's happening in this other one here. So this is the second highest earning one in this period. So this one. So videos are around the same length. This one is 1 minute 31 second, which is very interesting. 9th of November is the published date as well. So these are videos from recently. These are not from like years ago. Let's go onto the TikTok video again here.
God, I love my job. I get to pick up such hot boys. Oh my goodness. Oh, that must be him. Yo, you here for an Uber? All right, come on in. For Ronan?
My car battery just died.
Wait, your battery died? Why didn't you? Dude, I could just jump you.
Oh, where's the jump?
Dude, it's 2026. Nobody uses jumper cables anymore.
All right, we'll try it out.
Seconds?
It's on.
Yeah, it's instantaneous, so you're good to go already.
Really doesn't 5 minutes.
Really love that hook there. That's a bit
God, I
tongue in
love my
cheek.
job. I get to pick up such hot
Your
boys.
Uber
Oh my
died.
goodness.
You're
Yo,
running for an Uber.
you here for an Uber? All right, come on in. For Ronan?
It's weird that he put the words at the beginning.
Car
He smelt so good when he
God, I love my
got
job.
in.
I get to pick
But
up
I think I can guess at the psychology behind that and the intent behind it. So he's put, he smelt so good when he got in. That tells me that gentleman was going somewhere. It could have been a date. It could have been somewhere where he's wanting to create a good impression. He's all cleaned up. He smells good. He's ready. But boom, his plans went down the drain because his battery died in his car. Again, another huge pain point that this creator is leaning into to move so many units with this particular product. I'm just going to scroll.
couple seconds.
So yeah, he shows them
Already.
here how to put it together. I'm not going to force you to listen to the whole thing.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
ultimately, he's doing the same presentation, showing the product.
Friday. Because of the Black Friday sales going on.
And then what about shipping?
No, shipping is free, and I can leave you the link for that product at the bottom for you.
Great. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one.
Okay,
By the way, I must say, I'm seeing a lot of these skits absolutely crushing it on TikTok. It's clearly a skit. We know that. We're adults. We're all adults here, so we know. But the fact that they're making an effort, one, with the skit, and two, it's keeping you watching. So something is working. It's keeping you, in a sense, entertained. But more importantly, the overarching thing here is they are showing you a huge problem that a lot of people experience daily. They're showing you how to solve it. They're showing you that you can solve it for a reasonable price. And they're showing you exactly where to get it and potentially at a discount as well. And ladies and gentlemen, simple videos like this are making this amount of money in 2025 and in 2026, to be honest, which is just a couple of weeks away at the time of recording this video. What would you do with an extra $28,000 in your pocket to start off 2026?